Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ariel Lai. Welcome to my PYP exhibition topic. Have you ever dreamed of becoming an astronaut? I have always been curious about space, so I chose space exploration as my PYP exhibition topic. My exhibition falls under the transdisciplinary theme, how the world works. My central idea is space exploration expand human understanding and create future possibilities. My 3 lines of inquiries are the challenges and future possibilities of space exploration, how space exploration helps humans understand the universe, the history and development of space. Why do I choose space exploration as my PYP exhibition topic? Because I'm always curious about space and want to learn how space exploration helps humans understand the universe more. It's an exciting topic that helps us explore beyond Earth. To begin with, I look up how space exploration started and how it has changed over time. Things have really begun to develop in 1960s, when NASA selected top pilots to train as astronauts. One of the most famous astronauts, Neil Armstrong, was in it. On March 16, 1966, he went on a mission called Gemini 8. In this mission, he successfully connected his spacecraft with another capsule while orbiting the Earth. However, a few minutes later, the system malfunctioned, causing it to spin out of control. This situation is very dangerous, but Neil Armstrong stayed calm, solved the problem, and landed safely. This success led to another mission called Apollo 11 mission in 1969, July 20th. He landed on the moon and became the first person to walk on its surface. But space exploration journey continued from NASA Space Shuttle to the International Space Station. That space station has been there for over 25 years. Today, companies like SpaceX has created reusable rockets that can fly back and forth, while robots explore Mars and NASA prepares for a long return to the moon. A major part of understanding space involves sending people to space, understand things in a low-pressure environment. Their 12-hour workday starts with a morning call, then wiping themselves with soapy cloth instead of washes. 2 hours of exercise and ends with the day for getting ready for a spacewalk. By placing telescope above Earth's atmosphere, it helps scientists has the advance of our universe in 2 ways. First, we got a clear view of space. By placing Earth's atmosphere destroy light, but telescopes like Hubble and James Webb capture images of newborn stars and galaxies. Second, we can detect invisible light. Space telescopes pick up X-rays, helping scientists discover newborn stars and galaxies. Those information help us map out our solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All those 8 planets are round because they have their own enough gravity to pull them into a huge ball. Finally, I investigate the challenges and future possibilities of space exploration. There's scientist studies at Johnson Space Center in Texas. They study how science work practice with special equipment like spacecraft. They even train underwater because it feels similar like floating in the middle of the space. In space exploration journey, it might have some challenges. Those challenges are like micrometeorites. Micrometeorites are tiny pieces of rocks that fly through space in their full speed. Despite their full speed and tiny size, scientists require to wear heavy metal suits made with gold material. It is hard that can protect their skins and bodies. Before I talk about my action plan, I would like to share some fun facts with you guys. Scientists believe that it might rain diamonds in Neptune and Uranus. Even Saturn smells like yummy steak that you may want to eat now. Shooting stars are even not stars. They're huge pieces of rocks that fly through space in their full speed, like micrometeorites, but it is smaller size. For my action plan, I created 3 things. First, I created a handbill, and in this handbill, it's all about fun fact. There's 9 fun facts in it, and a NASA sticker to go with it. For my second action plan, I created a little poster to post around the school. In this poster, it talked about different kinds of aliens and UFOs. For my last action plan, I created a model. In this model, there's 4 planets and a rocket going on his first mission, and an astronaut sitting there waiting for the rocket to come. In this part, there's a rocket going on his last mission, and an astronaut laying here looking at the stars. At the back, there's a planet that I have talked about, even the sun. Before I ended my exhibition, I would like to share some challenges that I faced. Throughout this whole exhibition, the challenges that I faced is not finding the right information to fit my lines of inquiries. I overcame this challenge by going on two useful websites like Hintbricks and Epic. These two websites helped me find the right information, and it is appropriate for my age. In conclusion, this is an exciting topic that helps scientists, kids, and astronauts learn that when challenges came, we can face it, and a good ending will at the end. Hope you like my presentation and have a great day. Thank you for spending some time learning about my topic. Thank you.